Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the Meta Quest mobile app and select your Quest 2 headset paired by Bluetooth. Tap Devices, then Headset Settings to access more settings. Scroll to Developer Options and enable Developer Mode for your headset. You must register a developer account with Meta using your regular login details. Follow prompts to accept the terms and create a developer account. Restart the Quest 2 after enabling developer mode to apply the new settings. Connect the Quest 2 to your PC with a USB-C cable and accept USB debugging when prompted. Install SideQuest on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux machine to simplify sideloading tasks. Alternatively, install ADB tools and use the command adb install CX File Explorer. App from your Downloads folder. Download the correct CX File Explorer APK, matching your Android build before installing. SideQuest will show device connected. If drivers install correctly, put on your Quest 2 and go to Library, then Unknown Sources to find CX File Explorer. Launch CX File Explorer and grant storage and file permissions when the app requests access. Use the app to browse internal storage, move files, and install APKs directly from the headset. To transfer more files, use SideQuest or ADB push commands from your computer to the headset storage. Revoke or adjust permissions later in Settings apps if you change access preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.